Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install my all-time favorite protective style, which is Havana twist, and some of you may call them jumbo Marley twist. This is a style that can last from 6 to 8 weeks if installed correctly. So if you would like to see how I install this amazing style, stay tuned. So I am starting out on freshly washed hair. I want to give you a quick length check so you can see what I'm working with at this point in my natural hair journey. I actually had to cut my hair about 3 or 4 months ago due to heat damage from going to a salon, listening to a stylist who recommended that this process would be okay for my hair. However, it did not work out too great, so this is what I'm working with. I had to go back to the basics. Now, for tools that you'll need to style, and it's based on your preference, but I will be using a comb. I'll be using 2 different style clips. I'm going to use a spray bottle of water, my Eco Styler gel. Again, this is our holy grail, people. I'm going to be using a curling cream from Softies Naturals, and you can use any moisturizer of your preference. I will also be using a leave-in conditioner and castor oil. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to fully saturate my hair with the leave-in conditioner. Again, this is a protective style, so you want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly moisturized before getting started. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair to make it easier for me to get through the process. And I'm going to start out by sectioning it off in 4 sections. In the front, I'm going to divide those half sections into 4ths, according to how I'm going to be doing my parting. This is the hair that I'm going to be using. I'm actually going to be recycling hair this time. I've had this Marley hair for about 2-3 years, so I just washed it on Sunday with apple cider vinegar and shampoo, and I'm just going to reuse that hair. And that's what I love about this style. It lasts for a long time and the hair can be reused. So if you're not reusing your hair, this is another way to save your coins. So go ahead and try to reuse that hair. It will still work, okay? So now I'm starting off by sectioning my hair. Because I'm doing jumbo Marley twist, I'm going to make larger sections in my parting while starting to install. Because of this particular style, you don't have to have those defined or precise parting areas. It's okay if they kind of look messy. I think it looks better when it's like that. So I'm starting off by trying to go through and comb through each of the 2 strands, and I just want to kind of expand the width of the strand to make it easier to install. But again, you're going to see later, like I stated, that you do not have to do that if you do not prefer to. My hair has been moisturized, and now I'm going to add my Eco Styler gel.
Don't you leave me, I'll call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me.
And I just took my section of hair, and as you can see, I'm going to just comb through it to make sure that it's detangled. And I'm going to split that section in 2. And I'm just staggering the length of the strands to make them longer. I'm trying to create the waist length look, so I'm going to just stagger the strands. As you can see, I'm taking the top half and I'm rolling it upward. And I'm just rolling it upward in a downward motion. It's kind of like a downward spiral. Just rolling and rolling until I feel like it's secured. And then I'm going to take the bottom half and I'm also going to roll that one upward in the opposite direction. And I'm just kind of using my hand or my fingers to keep it secured in the middle. You're just going to keep rolling until you feel like both sides are completely secured.
Pick up when I call you. You said you are.
You're going to do a crossover and start with your rope twisting. See, I'm just crossing it over. And then I'll start with my rope twisting. And you see how my hand kind of twists downward? I'm twisting downward. And then pulling the other strand to create that rope effect. And when I feel like the hair is getting too dry, I'll just add more Eco Styler, and in some cases I'll just spray water to make sure that it's moisturized to provide that slip that I need to continue twisting. And I'll do the same method all the way down the strand. And I know many people may look at this video and question why I made it so long, but I'm also, although I'm providing these tutorials, I'm also a consumer. I'm a part of the audience. So I actually go on several videos to get insight and ideas for how to install different hairstyles. And I get frustrated because quite often they've made this short video and I have to keep going back to rewind. So I wanted to make sure that I showed you how to do these twists several times so that you won't have to go to someone else's video to figure out how to do it. Now, the initial install can be quite confusing. I found it very hard when I was trying to twist my fingers to figure out which way would work best for that invisible root method. But once you get the beginning started, it makes it a lot easier. It's very easy. All you're doing is twisting, rolling your hand down. As you can see here, just roll your hand down and pull the opposite strand. And you're going to do it all the way down. When you get to the end and there's not enough hair left on one of the strands, just split that strand and continue to twist. Just rolling and pulling. Roll one, pull the other. Roll one, pull the other. Now I'm going to stop all the extra talking and I'm just going to let you see how I complete this install. Enjoy.
Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, celebrate this love, baby. Why don't we go? We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me and you, 'cause you can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. You know me by. They know you and me now. Everyone's place. My family. We about to go up. We about to go one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on. I can take it anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world. Diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. When a heart gives way, then a king can change. Through the world, stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay. I found a way from the day that I knew that I would love you. I am your slave. I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. She reigns in Knoxville, reigns in California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She reigns in Knoxville, California. She reigns in Atlanta, reigns down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning, 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 she be reigning. Does it go on a magazine? Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like she don't need all that makeup, she don't need no weed. A little lip gloss, yeah, that's all she need. She keep it simple indeed because it make her feel. She never eat fast food cause it make her sick. Only meat and potatoes, yeah, that girl she thick. No surgeries over here, so you know she feel. When we out in the street, she don't need attention. She ain't out here making scenes, she don't need auditions. I'm her #1 fan, so I hope she really. I give her all my love with no hesitations. I give her all my time, yeah, no limitations. It's time for her vacation, cause she need to feel like one time.
Guys, I am finally done. I am super excited. I have got to give him a praise. It took me 8 hours to complete this hairstyle. I got off of work and immediately got started, and now it's like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm just finishing, and these are the final results.
Making me strong, stay up in line, you're making me strong, making me strong, ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I want to you. Used to put on my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay up in line? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in line.
All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, love you guys. Bye.
Making me stronger.